Hi, and welcome to this Kinetic Christmas logo review. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to customize template. But before we do that, I'd like to wish you a very happy Christmas and a new year full of joy and peace and love. So, let's get started. Once you open this project file, you will find this folder here called edit. You just go ahead and open it, and you will find a zip folder called text holders, and you open it again, you will find three text composition holders. Like the first one is for Christmas, the other one is for the logo tagline, and the last one is Merry. I don't know if you want to edit these, but I'm just gonna leave him here, just in case if you want to add something, or if you want to add your name or anything. But they are here. Just double click the text and type your own. Okay, it's pretty basic. Okay, and we have here also the logo tagline. It's pretty much the same case. You just select the text and double click it, and you type your own text. So we are done with this part. We have here this logo composition. You just double click it, and you have here this logo. If you wanna change it, just double click here in this project panel. Go look for your logo where you have saved it. Where its location. For example, I have here this video logo. I'm gonna go ahead and import it. I'm just gonna drag and drop it, hit S on the keyboard and scale it down, and I'm gonna go ahead, sorry for my bad English, and disable this layer here. Now if I go to the main composition, you will see that the logo will be automatically updated. As you can see here, it's pretty easy and fast. And yeah, and as you can see here in this composition here, we have this layer called color control. It will help you change the colors of this sweater. It has a lot of color controls here. We have this the color of these decorations here. We have the text color. We have this sweater color. We have these lines colors. We have the deer's color, and also the trees. It is all customizable here. For example, if I change this red color here, it will give us this result. For example, I'm gonna put this color blue, and just wait a second, and voila, it is automatically updated. So I'm gonna let you have fun with these, play around. I don't know, just change colors, get creative, as we say. Make your own customized sweater, if I may say. Okay. Yeah. And finally, I have this sound and audio composition. Here I have a few sound effects. Not really, but close. We have the Santa voice that says ha ha ha. It's fun. If you don't like it, you can easily disable it. It's this one here. Oh yeah, it's this one. Just simply uncheck this, or delete the audio file, or you just mute it from here. Just this icon here, you disable it, and when you render this video, there will be no audio. Okay, and you can add it after in your editing software or whatsoever. Yeah, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this template, and yeah, if you have any questions or you are facing any problems with this template, please contact me in my Envato front page, and I will try to get back to you as soon as possible. Yeah, and one more thing, this template requires drop code particular the latest versions is preferable. Is preferable. I don't know. I mean, I don't know how to say this word though. It's really hard. But don't mind me. Preferable. Oh my god, I am such a loser. Anyway, it is good if you have the latest version of the particular and also the 3D stroke plugin of Trapcode that is also required by this template. Yeah. So Merry Christmas to you all and Happy New Year, and see you in the next one. Peace.